Welcome to the Quantum Collective.
Oven to 325. Old cookie tray. Aluminium foil. Cacao nibs. Yeet. Spread them out. I ended up cooking for about 11 to 12 minutes. Put them in a bottle. I normally use a mason jar, not today. And my favorite part, cover them in vodka or Everclear. I use vodka. And you want to have it where they're swimming. You've got a couple inches over the top of them. Like this. Shake them every day for at least 4 days. Shake. Strain it. Into the freezer. You can see some of the fat is floating on the top. I'll just scoop it off with a spoon. And then there's this layer of fluff and stuff down here at the bottom. Just let it sit for a couple days. Here, it's kind of compacted into a layer of gunk at the bottom. And what I ended up doing is racking off the top of that gunk. And what you're left with is an amazing chocolate extract. Add it into secondary in your brews when you want to inject a little bit of chocolate flavor. Add a couple mils at a time and taste. It is awesome. Big shout out to Doing the Most. BC and Anna are awesome people. If you don't know this channel, that's a mistake. You can actually find a lot of us hanging out and talking brewing on the Doing the Most Discord, discord.doingthemost.org. Big shout out to Man Made Mead, another super awesome dude, super nice guy, quality content. And screw it, big shout out to Faywood Mead. Relatively new to the mead game, but she's got some great content as well. Go check her out. Hey, subscribe if you want, or don't, I don't care.